Hello, class. This is Dr. Janice Harder. I just wanted to take a minute here to introduce myself and our course. You are taking Texas government at a great time. So much is happening here. Our governor is making national news. People are participating and demonstrating in public actions in record numbers. But there are some important things to know about Texas, things that influence government and politics. For instance, the political culture we have features a strong belief in limited government. The prevailing ideology in Texas is conservative, and the majority party is Republican, as you probably know, making Texas what is called a red state, at least for now. There are indications that might be changing in the future. The first picture I have here under the big Lone Star is me and some family members at the Texas History Museum in Austin. If you're ever in Austin, you should go spend a couple hours there. Very, very interesting place. And the other pictures I'm going to show today are from the museum. The museum is located just a block or so from the Capitol, so it's easy to find. So anyway, how did Texas get the way that it is? We have to look back in our history. This is the only state to first be a republic. It had to fight Mexico for its independence. So you've heard of the Alamo and the San Jacinto battles, I'm sure, and you may have seen the Come and Take It flag. I put a picture of it in the week 1 module. So if you'll just look down the page, you'll see it. But here's a diorama from inside the Texas History Museum using that flag. The story is that Mexico gave a small cannon to the town of Gonzales, but when the Texians, that's what they called themselves back then, started to rebel, Mexico demanded it back. The people of Gonzales made this flag and tied it to the cannon and put it on top of a building. This story sort of sums up the independent spirit of Texas. I hope you will follow the link I have put in week 1 to the Texas Almanac History Timeline for some more interesting stories. So let's get started. Each week, go to that week's module to find a checklist of things to do. Read the assigned chapter in the text, answer the discussion question, and then interact substantively with at least 2 other students, and complete the chapter post-test. And feel free to ask questions anytime, either in the questions thread or through the D2L email function. Either one works. Let's get started. We'll see you online.